welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Golden City using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.30. Contrast to 5. Shadows to 23. Whites to 21. And blacks to -20. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Tint to 26. Vibrance to 9. And Saturation to 2. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 34. Saturation to 19. Blending to 100. And balance to -55. For highlights, hue to 46. And saturation to 24. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 12. Saturation to -17. And luminance to 49. For orange, hue to -7. Saturation to 27. And luminance to 25. For yellow, hue to -16. Saturation to 15. And luminance to 10. For green, hue to -16. Saturation to -11. And luminance to -22. For aqua, hue to 46. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -52. For blue, hue to -15. Saturation to -69. And luminance to 48. For purple, saturation to -76. And luminance to 40. For pink, saturation to -44. And luminance to 7. And last, go to detail. Sharpening to 23. Masking to 17. And color noise reduction to 27. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.